If you need to request a refund from Shopify for a payment that has gone through, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Shopify.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Navigate to Orders. Once logged in, go to the Orders section in the left-hand menu. This will display a list of all your recent transactions and orders. Step 3. Locate the order. Find a specific order for which you want to request a refund. You can use the search bar or scroll through the list to locate it. Step 4. Initiate the refund. Click on the order to open its details. Look for the refund button and click it. Follow the prompts to specify the items you want to refund and confirm the refund amount. Step 5. Confirm and notify. After submitting the refund request, confirm that the refund has been processed. You may also want to notify the customer about the refund via email or through your store's communication channels. By following these steps, you can easily request a refund through Shopify. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Shopify support for further assistance.